After topping out at 57 degrees this afternoon at the airport, we're already down to 49 at Cho, 41 in Culpeper, 49 in the nation's capital, 46 in Richmond, 42 degrees in Farmville and Lynchburg, and a pair of 4s in Roanoke. And I'm showing you the current conditions at Cho on our JES Terracam Skyline Network, showing crystal clear conditions. But I want to point out this number right here, dew point of 10 degrees, giving us a relative humidity of only 21%. That dry air coupled with a crystal clear sky allows temperatures to fall off quickly tonight, all the way into the mid to upper 20s. By the time we wake up Tuesday morning with increasing clouds, with 28 a forecast low in the city of Charlottesville, 26 in Crozet and Livingston, 29 in Palmyra, and 28 for those of us in Orange. Now, that said, it's going to be on the chillier side tomorrow morning, and that means our next storm system will have a little bit of cold air to work with, and that storm system is down here across northern Mississippi. And it doesn't look like much right now, so let's change the vantage point, shall we? Here's a look at the water vapor imagery showing the moisture content in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. We look at this to tell where there's a little bit of spin or energy in the atmosphere, and you can see that little dip right there. That's the leading edge of the trough, and we look for areas out ahead of it on the eastern side of it for it to develop areas of low pressure. And that's exactly what's going to happen here over the next 6 hours. So by the time you tune in tonight for CBS 19 News at 11, we'll be tracking a stronger area of low pressure across northern Alabama and Tennessee. Why does that matter? Well, it's because that's where our snow is coming from. And here it is on your Futurecast. Tomorrow morning, clouds on the increase. Could see a little bit of sunshine. A little bit of sunshine gets us into the 30s. So this is going to be one of those fringe kind of events hovering right around that freezing mark for the duration of the snow. But here it is knocking on our doorstep by 11 o'clock in the morning, and then around the lunch hour into the early afternoon. Seeing lots of blue there, and also a band of deeper blue color there that indicates a potential for some stronger bands of snow wrapping around this area of low pressure. That's important because if you get stuck underneath one of those, you could pick up a higher snow total, so we'll continually watch that. But notice by 5 o'clock, it's long gone, not even in Culpeper County anymore. So this is a quick hitting storm system. It's not going to last terribly long. As a result, not a whole lot of snow currently in the forecast, dusting to 2 inches. In the lower elevations, the more east you go, the more likely it is you'll run into rain. So if you're hanging out in Richmond, you're likely going to remain all rain with this storm system. Now, weather timeline here for your Tuesday, 3 a.m. to 8 a.m., increasingly cloudy sky. 8 a.m. to about 10 a.m. A couple of flurries, and then after 10 a.m. we'll start to see heavier snow try to arrive, and between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. is our window of opportunity for the greatest chance for snow accumulation, and then after that we'll start to see things improve around the region. Now, Wednesday, dry, Thursday, dry and seasonable. Temperatures back in the mid to upper 40s. However, as we roll into the upcoming weekend, strong storm system out west, area of high pressure in the Atlantic. That's going to get us into a strong southerly flow. More rain in the forecast, but also near record highs possible by Saturday. So 68 degrees on Saturday. So we kind of have a little bit of for everybody here. A little bit of snow in the forecast tomorrow, dusting to 2 inches for vast majority of us. If you get stuck underneath one of those bands, you could see as much as 3, maybe 4 inches of snow, which would start to cause slushiness on the roadway. So we'll continually watch that tomorrow. 49 Wednesday, 44 Thursday, and then, well, if you're a fan of the heat, well, you have more of that. Saturday and Sunday temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Outside chance some of us could hear a few rumbles of thunder Saturday night, Sunday morning.
Wild.
So this was a fun forecast to put together for you this afternoon.
Yeah, that's unreal.
Yeah, and if any schools decide to close, we'll keep you updated on CBS19news.com. We'll have the crawl on the screen. So far, haven't seen any, but we'll be ready.
Just some in southwestern Virginia, but nothing here locally.
Nothing here. All right. Thanks, David.